Hello, in front of me I've got SJ8 dual screen cam. In this video I'll show you installation process for different types of surfers. So firstly, for the clean camera, we've got this first installation method. It's very simple, we have to simply screw this thing to the camera and then let's open it and wrap it around some bar. When it's wrapped, simply lock it with this lever. And this is the first method of installing it to any surface. Let's unscrew this. Next, we are going to use this waterproof case. Firstly, let's insert it in this waterproof case. Lock it. And now we are going to use this hook right here. Thanks to this method, we can install this camera to selfie stick by just screwing it like this. We can install it on the dashboard or front windshield by using this set that we have to connect, and then we have to install it here. Once it's done, simply screw this, and as you can see, it's stapled. Of course, if you want to connect it to windshield or to dashboard, you have to use this sticker in pair with the second sticker that have to be installed right on the dashboard or front windshield. Also, manual has shown us that we can install this camera with a hand rest, a shoulder strap or helmet. These mounts also can be used on helmets. This is a curve mount and this one is flat. The process is the same for all of the surfaces, and that's basically it. Let me just tell you about the last one. We've got this hook. We can install by just extending it to the camera size. Then of course we can hook it to anything we would like by using this screw. This mount also can be used on the front windshield or selfie stick. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.